And now we're going to talk about Arjun Rampal. Arjun Rampal, and now he's like terribly hot and was in Delhi for the launch of a sports academy. So is the hunk into sports himself? In a candid chat, the actor also told us about his upcoming and eagerly awaited film, Madhur Bhandarkar's Heroine, that stars Kareena Kapoor.
Well, I'm in conversation with a very dapper Arjun Rampal, and the only thing that comes to my mind is that how did you get so slim? It's like getting two Arjuns out of your body, fit and fine.
Really? Wow. No, it's just, I like to work out, and I've started eating a bit healthier. So, yeah, it all comes together.
Okay, not for a movie role?
You got to keep changing. I mean, if I have to become fat for a movie also, I don't mind doing that. So it's not about that. I think fitness for me is a necessity. It's like eating food, or breathing. It's something like that. For me to survive, I have to keep myself healthy and feel good about it. So it's just as simple as that. I don't look at it as a mundane routine or a habit that people, have to do it. I don't do it because I'm in the movie industry. I do it for me.
Okay. And talking about fitness, you're here for a sports academy launch. Your experience as a sportsman, we know you as an actor, but if you look back at your days as a sprinter then.
Yeah, I used to really train a lot. I've trained a lot. I've done 400 meters. I used to do it in 51, 52 seconds. And I was really quick, and I had a really wonderful coach who used to kind of train me. But he was more of a football player, and he was more of a football coach. But he'd seen my stride in school, and he thought that I would be good. So he really used to encourage me and push me in that. My mom used to really push me because she saw how much I enjoyed it. And then I had an injury and I gave it up. But still, I like to run, I like to play sport, and it'll always be a part of my life. And I think sport is one thing which really has maybe showed me how, when my movies didn't do well, to be graceful about it. Because if you win or lose in sport, the one thing it teaches you is to do it gracefully.
Arjun, now the trailer of Heroine is out. You are a part of the film. What is your verdict on the trailer now that it's out, and what's the feedback been so far?
Well, it's been absolutely I made a new word. It's called ridiculous, which is in a good way. Okay, so it's been absolutely ridiculous, which means basically it's been great because we got some 91 or 92,000 hits on, I think it was on Bollywood Hungama in 4 hours. And, the film has gone through its ups and downs, and I'm glad we saw it through. I'm very proud of being a part of the film. I think Madhur has done a wonderful job. I think everybody who has acted in it has done a wonderful job. It is Kareena's film. She's done a splendid job. It was wonderful working with her. And so I'm looking forward to it. I think it is something which people will definitely go out there, watch, and not be disappointed.
Maybe now you should convince Madhur to make a film on Hero.
I've told him that. I said one of the reasons why I'm doing a film called Heroine is so that the next film that you do will be titled Hero. And I'll be on that poster.
Thank you so much for your time. You look really, really handsome this evening. In Delhi with camera person Sanjay Khan, I'm Sabah Kazi for Headlines Today.